I asked the supplier some questions like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and he didn't respond. So I decided that I'm not going to return this battery. Instead, I will take it apart and see what's wrong with it, because it only gets like 50% of the capacity. And what's also interesting, that the first charge was horrible. It only had like 30, the second one like 40, and then gradually went up to 50-55% capacity of the official 7200. So the charges and discharges were close together in time, so maybe it's just a bad cell that got revived somewhat. It allows the others to work, while in the first charge it didn't allow them because it was probably 0 volts. And yeah, I have to take it apart and analyze the batteries. I just need to find my voltmeter and do a reading now. Yeah, zoom out and let's see more space here. Oh, I still have the charger circuitry on it. It's easier to measure. It's... oh, what? Oh yeah, I discharged it. So now it stays below 3.5 when the protection circuitry actually has to shut off. I don't know if the charger shut off or the electronics inside the pack, but that's the way it's supposed to work. So yeah, 3 4, what was it, 3 4 7? 3 4 6. Okay, remember that. And let's cut it open. So this should be easy. Just cut the outer insulation, and it should have an inner insulation on the cells. Oh boy, this is hard. This hardened. And oh boy, I never seen these color cells before. What are these? Light blue, turquoise, what do you call it? So let's see. It's electrical taped together, and hot glue in there, hot glue in there. Okay, but at least the cells are of the same type. And there's the protection circuit, allegedly. That's good, I think. Yeah, let's just get the charger off. We don't need that. And let's continue digging. So far the insulation is damaged here, and there are no markings on the cells. So these are just the cheapest thing you can buy from China, probably, for like $1 a piece. Wait, this is not electrical tape. This is too flimsy. I can break it with my hands. I don't know. That's also Chinese, probably. And 5 years old, 4 years old, because this was made in 2019. So yeah, that's why it's so cheap now. It's like $1.50 per cell. So they advertise it as 1800 milliamp hour cells, but yeah, it's not that much. More like 1,000, around 1,000. So yeah. Oh, okay. Did I expect that to be wired like that? That's good, I think. Oh, wait. I'm about to chop off the lead here. So let's get the installation and stuff. So these are just wired in parallel, and they did a shitty job. They did, I don't know if I can show you this. They did 7 welds, 6 welds all over the place, and here too. This is a shitty job. It's like a kid did it. Yeah, and probably this is not enough for 4 amps. This tiny little thing. But it doesn't have to do 4 amps because it's just half of it goes through that. So okay. Uh, so what should I do? For now, I just cut the cells open. I mean, not cut the cells open. Cut the cells apart so they don't feed off each other's voltage. And then I'll see which one drops in voltage most, and that is probably defective. So let's where are the pliers? Here. Let's cut it all. Come on, like that, like that. I'll reuse this for something. It's easy to solder also, not just welding, but soldering is also easy. So I cut that. Let's measure the two twin packs now. That should be interesting if voltage already dropped. 347. So this is probably the better cell, or is just voltage lost in the circuit and stuff. And this, oh, 347. Okay, that's fine. So the 0.01 volt we lost through the circuits and stuff. So that's not a bad deal. Let's yeah. Oh, I get it now. So this protection thing, 4 amps should pass through this thin thing, which is even thinner, I mean narrower than this. That's bad design. That is not rated for 4 amps. Luckily I didn't use it for 4 amps, but eh, that's bad design. Let's just cut off the electronics. I mean the protection. And come on. Like that. This is probably standard, which you find in most cell phone batteries, and yeah, 8205A, two of the same chips. Oh, yeah, the same chips. And this small little guy, I don't know what that is. It's all dirty. Yeah, whatever. It has clear markings where you should connect what, but it's also obvious from the current configuration. Okay, I reuse this for something. So now let's measure again. I like measuring things, especially with lithium ion batteries. If you measure, then you find out quickly if you did something wrong. So measuring never hurts. Let's get this off. Try not to damage the cells. Okay. And the hot glue fell off. I mean, it let go pretty easily. Okay. This other insulation crap. Okay, so we have separated the four cells, and yeah, in a future video I will look at I will charge them one by one at only or around 500 milliamps, so it will be nice and safe, and discharge them at 500 milliamps and see if they are at least similar in voltage and capacity. Yeah, right now they are all the same voltage, so I can't say much about it. But after I do the charging test, I will be able to share more about it. That's it for now.